On the table the silent stone weighs like an ancient name. The room is an empty shell. I walk through it and everything vibrates. Every step is a thread of air that still keeps me here. A light slowly passes through the tired morning curtains. It doesn't console, it doesn't promise. It settles and then vanishes. I watch it tremble for a moment before it becomes evening. And I return. I always return to the point where silence recognizes me. A minimal heartbeat, the voice that I don't sing, but that remains. On the windowsill, a glass half full of nothing. I put my name in it to see if it floats. It remains there motionless, like a thought that doesn't pass. The world is a thin edge. I rest my breath on it, and it vibrates, and I return. I always return to the point where silence recognizes me. A minimal heartbeat, a voice that I don't sing,